How to find square root of 3844 by long division method. Make pair from right hand side to left hand side. This is your first pair, this is your second pair. Work on this pair. 38. Take here a number whose square will be equal to 38 or nearest to 38. If you take here look 6, then 6 squared will be 36. But if you take here 7 squared equal to 49, which is greater than 38. So 6 is correct. Same digit will come to the quotient side also. 6 times 6, 36. Subtract, you are getting 2. Bring down the next pair. Same, since you have placed the digit 6 in the quotient, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 6 plus 6, 12. Now you need to take here a digit and you need to multiply 1, 2, then take here digit times here. Look, take here 2. 2 times 122. So 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 1, 1. 2 times 1, 2. 2 times 1, 2. 244, which is equal to this. So our guessing digit 2 is correct. So 2 times 122 means 224. Subtract 0. As you have placed the digit 2 here, so same digit will come under this divisor and you need to add 2 plus 2, 4 and 2, 1. The double of, look, 62 is 124. So our answer 62 is correct. So the square root of 3844 by long division method is 62.